You'll find rooftop air conditioning units anywhere in small to medium-sized commercial buildings, including office buildings, restaurants, schools, entertainment, retail, grocery stores, condominiums, and shopping centers. These units are often referred to as RTUs, rooftop units, which cover everything from very small tonnage to over 100 tons. The IntelliPack 2 from Trane goes up to 162 tons. Most of us are familiar with small tonnage units from 2 to 15 tons, but how big is a 75-ton unit? Here is a quick comparison between the length of a 40-ton to 75-ton rooftop unit and a 2020 Tesla Model S. As you can see, these packaged rooftop units can be very long in length. RTU manufacturers